Hi friends, it's Miss Amanda from the Monrovia Public Library, and for today's craft corner I'm going to show you how to make some super fun monster bookmarks. We're going to make these with some household items like a paper clip, paper, scissors, and glue. But if you get one of this month's craft kits, you're going to have some extra special supplies to make your monster super special. If you get one of our craft kits, you're going to have things like feathers, googly eyes, glitter glue, and other items that'll really make your monster special. So if you'd like to get a craft kit, all that you have to do is check out the description below. We're going to have a link to our library calendar where you can register for a kit, and then you can come pick it up through our curbside pickup service. So now that that's out of the way, let's learn how to make these fun monster bookmarks. You're going to need paper clips, paper, so you can use scrap paper, any kind of little piece of paper you have, scissors, and glue. And then once you have those basic items, you're just going to need things to decorate with. So you can use googly eyes, feathers, glitter, markers, crayons, any kind of craft supply that you have on hand to make your monster special. The first thing that you're going to do is grab a piece of your scrap paper for your monster. You're going to want to make two of the same shape, so fold your paper in half. That way you only have to draw and cut once. Then grab a pencil and draw your shape. I'm doing one that's kind of small at the top and big at the bottom, but you can do whatever shape you'd like. You could do a square, an oval, a circle, anything. Next, you're going to grab your scissors and cut out your shape. So make sure you hold them tightly together so you don't have to cut twice, and cut out your shape nice and neat. And ta-da! You should have two of the exact same size pieces of paper. The next thing we're going to do is to stick everything together. So we're going to grab our glue and put it all over one side of our pieces of paper. Make sure it's nice and even and it reaches all the edges because you want everything to stick together real well. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your paper clip, and the side that only has one loop is the part that we're going to put inside, and you're just going to put it at the bottom of your shape just so it sticks in a little bit. Add a little extra glue on top because we want to make sure everything is nice and secure. And then you're going to take your other piece of paper and sandwich it on top of everything else. Make sure you press it down real good because you want everything to stay together. Make sure that the edges line up and you didn't slide all over the place. Give it a few presses so that it holds together. And now we have to wait. Let your glue dry for about 10 minutes. That way it doesn't slide all over the place while you're decorating. And now it's time to grab your craft decorations and start decorating. I'm going to add a googly eye on my monster so he can be a one-eyed monster. I'm going to use some of my glitter glue to outline and make him stand out, but you could also use markers or crayons or anything else you have. And then just go wild. Add whatever you want to your monster. You could add feathers, sequins, glitter, beads, anything you have on hand to really make your monster stand out and make it your own. And then that's it. You're all done. I hope you enjoyed making these monster bookmarks with me. And if you do make some at home, or if you make anything else from one of our craft kits, please share it. Tag the library in your social media photos, or even just send the photo via email to the library. Either way, I want to see what you guys are making. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy crafting. I will see you next time. Bye.